Hello friends. Today we will learn how to install Linux Mint. First, we need to download the Linux Mint ISO file, and then create a bootable USB drive. I have already explained the complete process of making a bootable USB in my previous video, where I showed step-by-step how to create it and how to boot the system from USB. The link to that video is available in the description. Now we will boot the system from the USB. After booting, the first window will appear on the screen. Here, we will select Start Linux Mint and press Enter. After that, Linux Mint will start booting, and the operating system will begin loading the required files and services, and take 30 to 60 seconds. As soon as the system finishes booting, the Linux Mint desktop will appear on the screen. Now, we will double-click on the Install Linux Mint option, and the installation process will begin. In the next steps, we will need to configure a few settings such as selecting the language, choosing the keyboard layout, and setting up disk partitioning. We will guide you step-by-step through each option, explaining which setting to choose and why, so that you can easily install Linux Mint without any confusion. My language is English, so I will choose English. You can select any language you want from the list. Next, we will see the keyboard layout settings. Mine is set to English, United States, so I will select that option. This step may take a little time because my internet connection is slow. Here, we also need to check the Install Multimedia Codecs checkbox. This will install additional multimedia support for videos, music, and other media files. After checking the box, click on Continue. Here, we need to select the hard disk. In my case, I only have one hard drive, so it will be selected automatically. You should carefully check that there is no important data on your hard disk, because everything on it may be erased during installation. Press the Install Now button. Press the Continue button. After that, we will be asked to select our location. I am selecting New York, but you can choose any location according to your country. Next, we need to enter our user details. First, we will type our name. You can enter any name you want. I will write Linux Mint. The computer name will be automatically generated, but you can also change it if you want. The username is also set to Linux. Now we will set a password. I am entering my password here, but you can choose any secure password you like. Press the Continue button. Now the files are being copied, and some data is also being downloaded from the internet. This process may take some time depending on your internet speed. If your internet is fast, the installation will complete quickly. If your internet is slow, it may take longer, so please be patient while the process completes. Friends, now the Linux installation is almost complete. After completion, we will continue testing, and then we will click on Restart Now. The system will reboot. Once the reboot starts, the Linux operating system will turn on again. After a few seconds, it will prompt us to remove the USB drive and press Enter. After this, the system will automatically reboot, and Linux will start normally from the hard drive. Now Linux is booting. Within a few seconds, our Linux system will be fully loaded. Yes, friends, Linux has successfully started. The username we created in Linux is now showing on the screen. Now we will enter our password. I am typing the password, and after that, Linux will log in. This is a very simple and easy installation process. There are also other methods, but this is the most straightforward one. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos. We would also appreciate your suggestions and feedback. Please let us know how we can improve and correct our mistakes. Your support and valuable comments help us create better content. Thank you for watching.